Welcome back to another episode of I'm Glad I'm Not You. But I know you're thinking, wait, another episode? That can't possibly mean what I think it means, and it does. The truck is not fixed, and therefore the show must go on. So where last we left off, this guy right here actually turned over and was running, and everything looked good. Except I tried to pull it out of the driveway, and it stalled at the bottom of the driveway. And the driveway is sloped, and I had to push it up that slope to get it into a spot where I could work on it some more. It turns over, but it doesn't actually go anywhere at all. The astute viewer might recognize this as a gas tank. I have pulled it out of the truck because this guy right here decided he didn't want to work anymore. Not only does the float not work, but he doesn't want to provide my beautiful new engine with any kind of food. What a dickhead. Now, I'm mentioning the float part first because in the truck, it was telling me I had pretty much no gas whatsoever. And so I was figuring, there's old gas in there. That's probably why it's not turning over. It doesn't have any gas. Maybe that's why it's not turning over. And then I went to take the gas tank off and it dropped on my chest and it's at least half full. So that's fun. I actually managed to bend a 5-foot steel pipe with a 1-inch diameter trying to break those fuckers free. It sucked and now I have to do it again. At some point tonight, we gonna jack that ass up. And then we gonna take the tire off. And also the other tire, so something like that. And then we're going to get underneath, and I'm going to show you the royal shitstorm that is all of the rust I am trying to take care of. I've decided I'm going to put the entire thing up on stilts, which means the first thing we got to do is blah, 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 blah. This shouldn't be too bad, and we'll start with the easy one, so yeah. Cool. This one too. I think. How about this guy? Good. And yeah. Okay, cool. And now we get to change out the socket because they're all different sizes. Of course they are. And that's mostly because the jacket broke off and I deformed the shit out of them and a whole bunch of other reasons. So let's try this one. Nope. Yep. Woo! Yeah. All right. Which means... hold on. It was that one too. Well, shit. Oh, good. Oh, hey. Now that it's not in the air right now, so I shouldn't get too frosty with that. We'll see. I hope not. Get the jack down low, all the way to the front, underneath the dip. All right. Come here often. Ignore me, I'm stupid. Oh yeah. Olympic rowing team, here I come. Alright. We got one ball in there. We put in the safety locking mechanism. Get the hell in there. Oh my goodness. The square peg goes in the round hole. Come on, you son of a bitch. Come on, you son of a bitch. Holy Christ, this is worse than trying to put a USB in. There we go. Oh, that's fucking great. One more. One more. One more. There you go. And here we go. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. And down she goes. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Hey! This truck had me bust a nut or two. Ignore me, I'm stupid. Alright, let's shine some light on the situation. Hooray! So I've already kind of started. I'm going to be really grinding away at all of this surface rust right in here. This little cross member right here is the worst by far. And of course, it's the one that holds up the gas tank and the hanger for the muffler. I'm hoping that whatever preventative maintenance I'm going to do on there is good enough, because changing that thing out would be a pain in the ass. Oh, shit. And yeah, it also holds the shock absorber. So that's fun. I'm really hoping that the rust repair shit that I bought is going to do a lot better job. It's all going to be covered up with undercoating anyways, but still, this is a freaking travesty. And speaking of travesties, it has all this rust because it was once upon a time in Delaware. Who freaking goes to Delaware? We underneath now. So this guy right here is ye old catalytic converter. I'm not sure it is carb compliant for California. So there's a good chance we gonna have to cut her out and put a new one in. That's where we're at. That's where I'm at. And so just hopefully not go blind while I try to turn this thing off. Boop. All right, cool. Ace Hardware for a 400 lumen LED thingy doodle. Like $15. It's fantastic. But yeah, that's where my day is going to be at. And as you can see, I put the tires down because, just in case this thing decides to give out, I'd like to not die.